Do you fly your RC planes on grass fields and you're familiar with loads of dirt and grass in your wheel pans and you almost cannot get out this stuff out of the wheel pans without removing the whole landing gear? In this video I'm going to show you my solution to keep your wheel pans easily clean. No matter what kind of RC plane you fly, if you have wheel pans and you fly on grass wheels, you often have the issue that a lot of dirt and grass goes into your wheel pans and you cannot remove it without taking apart the whole landing gear. So in this video I go through a short tutorial what I modified on the wheel pans to make the whole cleaning easier. I also changed the wheels on my Pilot RC 60-inch laser just for the look and also to save some weight. So this is what will happen in this video. But before we jump into the content, I'd like to say big thanks to today's video sponsor, which is PCBWay. PCBWay supports you worldwide with high quality CNC machining, 3D printing and PCB manufacturing. Check out their website on PCBWay.com. You can find the link in the video description and enjoy the great offers of PCBWay.com. Thanks a lot again for sponsoring this video. Now enough talking, let's jump right into the modifying steps. These are the wheels I bought to replace the stock wheels. I bought them by Robbe, but actually they are branded with Ming Racing, so not sure what it exactly is. Then here you can see the shape comparison. The stock wheel on the left looks like a car wheel more than a plane wheel, so it also can grab a lot of dirt inside the big rim. So on the right you can see the new wheel, which looks more like a plane wheel, but the foam of the tire is still not really perfectly symmetrical shaped, so I had to reshape this. Then we did a weight comparison, so I also saved a few grams in comparison to the stock wheel, so each wheel is around 5 grams lighter than the stock wheel. Then I also checked the diameter, it's almost the same. The stock wheel is around 1 millimeter smaller, but everything fine. And the diameter of the wheel hole is also perfect for 4 millimeter axles. Then I prepared the wheel to sand down the foam to perfect symmetrical shape. For this I used a screw and some plastic shims to protect the rim. Then I put it onto the drill to shape down the tire to the perfect shape. Then I did a short fit check, everything looked good, but as you can see the opening for the wheel is still stock shape, which also looks pretty bad. So I started to reshape the opening and I did a much bigger hole than the stock hole, and this actually helps to remove any dirt out of the wheel pans without removing the wheel pans or the whole landing gear. Then I did a short weight comparison without modification and the wheel pans after the modification, and also here I can save a few grams in comparison to stock shape of the wheel pans. Then did the first installation to check if everything fits, and everything worked fine. First I was afraid that the design of the new opening will look pretty bad, but as you can see the shape in my opinion looks pretty good. It doesn't look bad at all, so I'm happy. And also from the side and from top you cannot see even a difference from stock shape in comparison to the modified opening for the wheels. So I'm really happy with the result, and like this it's pretty easy to remove all kinds of dirt and grass out of the wheel pans without taking apart the whole landing gear. This is it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this kind of content, give me a thumb up and leave your comment. More content will follow soon. So thanks a lot again. See you in the next one. Have a good time. Happy flying. Bye bye.